Hello folks. Now this video is all about understanding the shortest video ad available over the internet, which is called as YouTube bumper ads. Now, if I simply walk you through the definition, then bumper ads are the short video ad formats designed to allow you to reach more customer and increase awareness about the brand using a very short memorable message. Now, let's say if you have a client and this client of yours wants you to show the very short message about the brand, message about the product, and you have to use a very short video for the promotion of this brand. In that case, you simply make a video of 6 seconds and then you promote this video using the bumper ads. However, these videos are gonna be the non-skippable video ads, which means whenever this ad is gonna come before any video, a user cannot simply skip these ads. Now, if I simply talk about the placement, which means where exactly these ads can be placed on YouTube, then you can simply place these ads in the in-stream formats. In-stream means while a user is watching the video, then this 6 second ad is most likely going to come before they start watching a video. And they have to wait until this video ad gets completed in the next 6 seconds. Now, in terms of bidding strategy, the only and one bidding strategy which this video ad use is a cost per milli, which means CPM bidding strategy. Now we can simply come and get into creating this bumper ad campaign. So you have to simply get into ads.google.com, look for a campaign page, and then you have to click on this plus button, which allows you to create a fresh campaign. Clicking on this campaign button simply asks you to choose a campaign objective. So you can go with any of the campaign objectives, and I'm going with a objective without a goal. Then you have to choose the available video format option. So in all of these 8 campaign options, you have to go with the 5th option to create a video campaign. Now you'll be getting multiple subtype campaign options. So you have to go with the efficient reach option, and within reach, we will get the option of bumper campaign. Now we simply click on continue from the bottom right hand side. We wait for the next page and we have to name our campaign here. So let's say I name it bumper campaign, bumper ads campaign. Now you'll be getting this multiple format ads option. So if I go with the by default option, then this video can be placed in 3 different ways. So I'll be going with 3 different video ad formats. To control which, I simply have to uncheck this option and only go with the option of in-stream bumper, the first one. And then I can simply uncheck the other 2 options. Now, you can see this option allows me to use bumper ads which are 6 seconders and cannot be skipped. If it's longer than 6 seconder, then this will become a in-stream video ad. Anyways, now the bidding strategy has to be CPM only. I don't have an option to use any other bidding strategy. In terms of budgets, we can use daily or the campaign total budgets. I'm simply going with the 100 rupees of campaign total budgets. I want to run this campaign for next 3 days. Now, in terms of networks, this ad is going to cover Google's YouTube. We are not going with Google TV or Google partners, which means this ad is going to be placed within YouTube only. Now, in terms of location, we have to check what target audiences we have decided in our media planning sheet. So if I simply take you back to the media planning sheet, we have decided to target these ads to the audience of Delhi NCR, targeting females in the age range of 18 to 34 to people who are interested in the artificial jewelry. Now, I can simply go back to the campaign page and target the locations as Delhi NCR. Then in terms of related videos, we don't want to show any other relevant 6 second video with these ads. So we are skipping the option of relevant or related videos and product feed. We are going with naming the ad group as video efficient reach. This is totally fine. In terms of audiences, we have to define this demography, which is the most important part. So in demography, we have to choose females by unchoosing or unselecting the other 2 options. In age range, we go with 18 to 34, and then we can simply uncheck this unknown option. We can scroll down, we can go for target interest now. Now, in terms of interest, we have to look for the best available jewelry options where we have the option of fine jewelry. So we can go with fine jewelry. Along with that, you can simply search jewelry over here And then you can get options like, okay, we have to wait for a while. Yeah, options like jewelry and watches. And you can just simply walk through this, and then you can also go with inexpensive or designer jewelry. Now, after selecting these interest, we can simply go with adding, okay, you don't have to go with enable audience expansion. Just in case, if you enable the audience expansion, it means your target audience are going beyond the selected list. So if I simply uncheck this option of enable audience expansion towards the right, my impressions should get decreased. So now we are having 9.5 million impressions. Okay, in terms of content, we don't have to target our audience by keyword, topics, or placement targetings. That's because we are already going with the interest based targeting. Now, in terms of video ad, what we need is a one single video URL. Now, if I simply take you back to the media planning sheet, we have a video and ad type sheet where we already have this Springtails bumper ad video. So I can simply copy this video link and put it in this box, which fetches the actual video copy which we are going to use for this campaign. So we have a 6-second copy over here. Now we have to provide the final URL, which means the website link where we want our customer to land. So we can simply open the website of the project, which is springtails.shop. We can simply copy and paste it over here. Now when somebody get to see this ad copy, he'll be getting an option to land on the website by using this call to action button, which we are gonna name as buy now, because we want people to buy jewelry from the website. Now, in terms of descriptions, we can have descriptions like find jewelry online. In terms of headlines, we can simply use headlines like artificial jewelry by simply naming it artificial jewelry. In terms of description, we can name something like find the perfect piece for any occasion or discover our stunning collection of jewelry. This seems okay. In terms of ad name, that's totally fine. Now, the most important part, which is bidding, which means how much we are willing to pay for 1,000 views. CPM is all about cost for 1,000 views, which stands for cost per 1,000 impressions. Now, I'm sorry, not the views, but the impressions. Now, if I simply get into the media planning sheet, we can simply fetch the decided budget. So we have a budget of 100 rupees for this campaign with the cost per milli or CPM of 0.10, which means we are willing to pay only and only 0.10 INR for an impression. If I convert it into 1000, then it means we are willing to pay 100 INR for 1000 impressions. Now, this is all. And by clicking on this create campaign button, we can simply finish our bumper campaign. So that's how you can simply create a bumper ad campaign within the Google Ad interface. Now, people who are actually learning digital marketing video courses, I want you to complete 3 exercises. Number 1, I want you to create a bumper ad campaign on daily budget on the interest based targeting. That's right. In exercise 2, I want you to simply create a campaign on the overall budget, which means a total budget on custom audience list. Now you may have to find custom audience list. In exercise 3, I want you to create 2 more ad groups within these campaigns using different targeting options. Maybe you go with placement and keyword targeting. And then I'll probably see you in the next video.